to introduce you guys to my photo folio. Now, there are a few things that I would totally do differently next time I make this, which I will be making more. But I'm going to get into it, and I did not have a whole lot of paper left, so I'm going to have to do, I'll show you in here where I'm still needing paper, and so I'm going to have to do some real creative stuff, but I am out of time. I'm getting ready to go on vacation, and I wanted to post this so you guys could at least see it decorated for the most part. So anyway, I've got some the paper on the front, and then flat on the back, and I've got my ribbon tie. Then you open this up, and this is the first thing that I'd change. I would probably only put about half of what I did and maybe make them longer, okay? Because there's 10 of these puppies on here, and it's just way too thick. It doesn't allow this to close very nicely, okay? So I would maybe only put 4, maybe 5, but just make them larger, and you know, cut down way down on the bulk. I put a nice pocket envelope here. It won't hold a lot, but you can definitely slide in extra paper that you might have, and extra pictures, whatever. And I love all of the stickers that came with the sticker sheet. They were just, I backed them all on black cardstock. This reads, "Support your local girl gang." I love that. And this one says, "Oh my darling, beautiful things have dents and scratches too." So there you go. That's my motto. Okay, so we'll go here first. Now, this little black dress, I just loved it. And I took a little piece of the tulle, and I took some of my flocking, and I just glued it on at the waist and put a little bit of the sequins and flocking on there, and it just came out adorable. Backed this card onto some black cardstock, and just stuck a few things in there. I will tweak this a little bit more once I get back from vacation, but I just wanted to let you see it. Now this one I did not lift up, so you know you can't put anything underneath it, but I figured there's a photo here and a photo there would be perfect. This is left open, so you can stick photos, or you can have photo and a journal card. This is just some ribbon that I had, and that magnetic closure. This is closed by magnet, and we've got this here, just a nice pocket, and I just stuck a couple of the ephemera cards in there that you get with the kit. Again, this says "Rise and Shine." I love the stickers. This was a piece of black that I used. This was a sticker, and I backed it on black and using it as a little tuck spot. And these were left open as well. These were stickers, and I backed them up on black as well. Okay. And then here I've got another one of those little red dresses, and it is available underneath for pictures to be slid under. So there's that. Now, your center section. We didn't know we were making memories. We just knew we were having fun. Okay. And then I've got the name of the paper is Vintage Girl, but it's just perfect to have right up here in the front. I did a little bit of a flocking strip here. All of you were asking about flocking. This paper was too short, so I took a little black strip of paper, a little 1/4 inch double-sided tape, and then put some flocking on there, just like you would rub glitter into something. So That's got a little soft. And there'll be someplace else that I will use that flocking on this book, but right now I don't have anything else on there. So this is magnetically closed. And then I have It's Hard to Be a Diamond in a Rhinestone World. Love that. She is delightfully chaotic, a beautiful mess. Loving her is a splendid adventure. Love that. And then Home is My Happy Place. And this is a pocket, so you know you can get. I've got it stuck in the wrong side there. Yeah, but it's a pocket. Then this is left up, and this is left up. So you can stick a little photo there, and I love this. This is my favorite paper, I think, of all of it. And then you've got this, and this is all left open. And I don't have my closure. Kind of messed up everything. And I have this here, and these are two pull-out tags right here, and then this is a longer one. Again, I don't know if I'm going to have enough paper to do anything on those, but we'll see. Now this is my closure. It's just four brads, two on each side with a little strip of paper. Let me see if I can get it up a little closer so you can see it. Okay, and then it says, "Glitter in my hair like I just don't care." That's perfect. As a crafter, you know. And then I've got the cameras on both sides. And then I have here, now this one here will hold 18 pictures, I think. And then this holds, and those obviously are not, they're like 3 3/4 by 3.5, something like that. These are actually going to hold 4x7s with some room. These are 6.5 by 4.25. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 of them. And then you've got a spot here. So that's another 17 pictures there on top of everything else. So I hope you guys really... Oh, and when you're not using this, there's a little pocket right here to put it in, so you don't lose it. I hope you guys really enjoy this. I have really enjoyed working with this paper, and I'm sorry I didn't have it totally completely done. Oh, excuse me. But excuse me. But I wanted you to see it at least partially completed. Alright? But again, I wouldn't put all 10 of these here. So hopefully you see this before you do all that, because that's just way thick. So, and you know, and it's all 110 cardstock that I did all the flaps on too. So that even made it thicker. So there are ways you could make it thinner. But anyway, thanks guys so much. Don't forget to enter on each one of these videos. Leave a comment. Become a subscriber if you're not already a subscriber to my channel, so that you can win a collection pack from Photoplay. And I'm going to be throwing in some really cool tidbits from my stash as well. Alright guys, thanks so much. And this is open to everybody. I don't think I've said that on any of these videos. I had a UK lady comment to me, is it open to anybody? Yes, it's open to anybody. I pay regular postage. If there's anything getting into your countries or anything special like that, that's going to be on you, but I will pay the regular postage. Alright guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate all your comments and your support, and you've been super sweet through this whole thing. And the drawing is on June 8th. I will post the results of the drawing. Well, you'll see it, you know, it won't be live, but you'll see me out. My husband will be drawing, his little hand will come and draw it out. Okay? All right, guys. See ya. Bye.